Hello friends, we have completed the theoretical part of the pumping station strategy training and only the practical part remains. The practice will look as follows. For approximately 2 weeks, I will be recording videos of my online trading. In this video, you will see how I receive signals, how I open trades, how I use the utility, how the utility manages these trades and closes them, and how it records my trading results, that is, how I earn. You can take all the experience that will be shown to you in these lessons and start trading independently using the pumping station strategy as if you already knew how to do it. So you understand, I will share my experience with you, and you will take it and apply it on your trading platform. It's that simple. I hope this will greatly improve your trading results in the future, because you will see in practice how it is really done. That's all for now. Let's go. Guys, I will be demonstrating my trading to you. For this, I opened a separate account. This is the MT5 platform, on which I installed the pumping station system. This is 21 quote Windows. I will indeed use my favorite trading method, which is smart closing. The trailing stop for each trade will be carried out using the pumping utility, which you received as a bonus, every buyer of this course. So, I have shown you all the assets that I will be trading. There is no point in listing them. I will show the signals, how I open trades, and interim results, including how these trades are closed. So, right now I am just setting up the utility. I have just installed the system on the quotes chart, and I see that I missed some signals. They were recent and have already yielded profit. There is no point in trading. Only those that are being formed but not yet. I noticed that there was absolutely no signal in the form of an arrow anywhere to be seen. Therefore, I have decided that I will need to carefully look through each and every one of them to find what I am looking for. Here, in this place, I will begin my search. Pound CAD currency pair. I currently have a new and strong signal, a clear indication to sell. If you noticed, I did not select presets for each currency pair, because I will be trading using smart closing, meaning the utility will close each of my trades at the best price, on different time frames, at different levels of this sigma channel. And I will not choose the highest quality settings for the current time frame at this moment, because the utility will do almost all the tasks for me, so I received a signal here and I will make a trade on. Sell. Here is the trade for sell. Here is exactly its level, and here is the level at which the take profit will be closed at level 3. Let's move on to a new topic. The price chart. There are often days when there are not many indicators. There are days when there are practically no signals on all assets. You need to be prepared for the fact that sometimes you will just be waiting. But sometimes it will be extremely active trading in the market at certain times. So for now, I only see one trade, and it is already in a small profit. In general, we are waiting for new signals and will continue trading. So guys, the second signal is for the pound against Australian dollar, a buy signal. We enter this currency pair and see that yes, there is such a signal and it is going down. We can basically close this trade and make a buy decision. This previous trade was involving the currency pair pound CAD, and it is currently going down in value. We can see the overall result in the toolbox. Here we have two trades, one in profit and the other one that we just opened is in a small loss. There have been no closures yet. We are waiting to see what happens next with new signals. There are two new signals. One is for pound against USD and the other is for pound against franc. Let's open the trade for pound against USD. Here it is. Buy signal indicator detected. We do buy. Here it is. Now the pound against the francs. Pound against the franc currency. We are looking at the exchange. Here it is. Here is a buy signal detected. Yet another signal. Let us proceed with it. We are able to close the position. Purchase. So, good. Take profit, as you can see, is located here. And the pumping utility will close this trade when the price reaches this level. It will close automatically. This means I don't need to do anything further. I just receive notifications. They come to my phone, and I can easily access them anytime. Let me take a quick screenshot right now to show you exactly what it looks like. You will see it on the screen, and let's say I will take a screenshot of how it looks inside the mobile platform. You will see this again on the screen, so we wait for the signal and trade. So, I received a trading signal down here in the Euro signal, FABE, period M15. I received it on my smartphone via push notifications in the mobile terminal. I go to the market overview to find this currency pair Euro. Here it is. I click on the trade button, which is located at the very top. So I enter the lot size and it will be saved as my default. Here is 0.25 and I am making the trade. The notification has come that the trade has been executed. And while there is a small loss hanging around, the price will soon turn around and it will all turn into a profit. We are waiting for new signals. So, we have our first closing, pound USD. The first trade, the first profit. Well, I just added a trade for the pound against the New Zealand dollar. A buy trade. Just a minute ago. Or perhaps it was just now. Quite recently. As you can see, the signal appeared a little earlier. It came about 3 to 4 hours ago. But at that time I was sleeping and could only execute the signal now. The trade. Thus, this trade turned out to be at a level that is slightly better than the signal level. This is good. We are waiting for new closures, new profits, and new trading signals. So friends, as you can see, the number of signals is increasing. Most of the trades that I opened earlier have already been closed. Approximately a profit of $205 has been made. This is the pound against USD, euro against Australian dollar, pound against New Zealand dollar, and so on. Let's examine in detail how the trades are closed. As you can see, the pound NSD closed here for me. Regarding the current situation in the market, I will take a look. You see, there was a trade here. It closed for me. Euro against Australian dollar. This is the trade I made on my smartphone through the mobile terminal. You see, I placed it manually, and the utility executed it here when the price touched the red line. It closed automatically. Now let's go through other instruments. UND USD, USD francs, Euro USD, Euro CAN, pound against Swiss franc will soon close. You see, I had a trade here. It floated sideways, and then there was a rise in the direction of the trade. So the situation with the pound code does not please me, because here, according to the indicator's data, the trade should have closed. This is the candle that was present during the news release when there was a very wide spread and the utility could not close the trade at this loss level. You see, this is a long spike. It is very difficult to close trades on such spikes because the broker does not allow the utility to perform its action automatically. Therefore, the trade was postponed. There was no touch. And this trade that I made yesterday is still open. And most importantly, another signal for a sell has appeared. What to do in this case? If you have a normal capital size, you have no fear. Personally, I have no fear that something will go wrong. You see, something went wrong, but it wasn't too scary. The distance between the trades is 36 pips. Basically, the trade is still in a definitely profitable area, but I advise not to touch this trading position. Why? Because if we were trading with averaging, and if I make a sell trade now, that trade will act as an averaging trade for this position. But the distance for averaging is very small, only 35 pips. If it were 120 pips, for example, a new signal would arise here, say at 130 pips, I would make a sell trade and close it by averaging at this level. But now, between the two signals, there is a small distance, and the utility can still close in a profitable area at the loss level, but if it cannot, it will try at the profit level or at the break-even level. Rather, at these levels, at the green level or at the blue level, it will try to close with a profit. If that doesn't work, it will switch to M30, meaning it will implement a trailing stop on future time frames, and I will leave exactly this option. Here in the utility, it is written only profit, final time frame H4, that is up to H4, or rather 4. My utility will try to close this trade with a profit. If it doesn't work out, then on H4 it will close at any price at the loss level. And it's better than making another trade now, because if the price shoots up, my trading drawdown will start to increase. So that's how it is. Next, the pound NSD. My trade closed, it was here. It was closed by NSD CAD. I will now currently look at all the assets. So this is the pound against the Singapore dollar. I had a trade here and closed everything here. Okay, now. The current result is minus $30. I earned $205. It's been about 12 hours since I started trading. Maybe just a little more, and here's the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 profitable orders plus 2 additional profitable orders in total, making a total of 7 trades in 12 hours of trading. You can evaluate it for yourself. That's all for now. We are waiting for new signals and the closure of these trades. We are working. Thus, 2 more hours have passed and all orders have been closed from those that were in the market. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Approximately $267 in profit. Here is the book of open orders. It is empty. No new signals have come in yet. Today is Friday, but the day feels a little very sleepy. There are such days of the week, although I see that there are reversals on some currency pairs, but they are out of range for signals. Okay, I believe that for the first day of trading, having 7 trades in the first 12 hours, all with profit, is a good result. This is not a genius result. It is a standard result that can be worked with every day. I hope this will be the case every day for everyone who receives and applies this trading system. So Friday continues. I thought that would be enough signals for today, but 2 more appeared, the Euro CAD and the Pound CAD. This means we enter the Pound CAD. This is a sell signal. So we immediately make a sell. And for the Euro CAD, it's also a sell signal, so we make a sell as well. This is how it goes. We wait for new signals. The utility does everything on its own. My job is just to repeat. My job is only to execute the trade. The utility will independently manage this trade and will close it as soon as it touches that red line, or if we use the smart closing function, then it will implement a trailing stop at other levels of the sigma channel. So We wait for new signals and continue trading. And additionally, on Friday evening, we have a signal for NSD-CAD, sell, and EuroCAD. It was already OutCat, sorry. I got it mixed up. OutCat, sell. So, 4 trades. As you can see, the Canadian dollar is present everywhere. In all currency pairs involving the Canadian dollar, a swing reversal has occurred. Let's see how deep it goes. But I hope it's clear that it's already Friday evening, and the trades won't have time to technically and physically close before reaching that level. However, I think on Monday, we will see profit from these trades. In total, I have received 11 trades for the day, and it's not the end of the day yet. There may still be additional trades. Well, we'll see. As you can see, trading is ongoing and quite active. We are waiting for further signals and trading.